Is your braille sense making a weird noise? It might just be this. So, it says hymns on the braille display of my braille sense Polaris. It says starting braille sense. Just a normal Polaris. You can see there. The reflection's kind of funny. You hear the little thing. There's the case, and then that's my black desk. I think it's black. And then, very soon after, it's doing its little thing. And then it says optimizing. 8 of 8. That's new. And I'm wondering, why is it doing that? And then you hear that noise. And me and you are both wondering what's going on. And then it goes blank. Has any of that ever happened to you? Has it done that? Has it made that noise saying optimize 8 of 8, then gone blank? Or let's take another example. Has it done that and then gone do 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 do? Like it starts to start up, it goes do 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 do, and then it just sticks on one note? You're probably scared to death. Oh my God, why is it doing this? What is wrong with my Polaris? Not to worry. That's one that has like 1% left. All it means is it died right in the middle of a cycle. So all you gotta do is take this charger that goes in your Polaris and plug it in. You're probably wondering, what is the deal? Does she own a Polaris? Is this a loaner Polaris? No, I am proud to say, as a blind person, I own a braille sense Polaris. And that is my daily note taker that I use. I have some other tech that I will be demoing, but I am proud to use a braille sense Polaris. And no, I do not own a Braille Note Touch or Touch Plus. So that's it. Peace out.